everyone, and welcome back to Bring On Life. Here's another workout with me video at the gym. I literally just got back from a quick holiday and I am so excited to hit a really good and quick upper body session focusing on back, shoulders, and biceps. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and save this video for your next session. Let's do it. I always enjoy starting up my pull day session with some pull-ups. It's a really good exercise to strengthen your arms, shoulders, and back muscles. And also it helps improve your grip strength. However, if you haven't done any pull-ups before, if you are a beginner, you can also try and use an assisted pull-up machine. Or you can use a pull-up band as an alternative. Now let's do a supinated barbell bent over row. For the starting position, slightly bend your knee and then hold the bar with an underhand grip with your hands at about shoulders width apart. Also lean forward while keeping your back straight and your chest bulge. For the execution, pull the bar towards your belly button and squeeze your back at the top of the movement, driving your shoulders and elbows behind your body. Next up is dumbbell shoulder press. First, you really need to select the right dumbbells. Don't go overboard on the weight here, guys, because this is an exercise that suddenly feels very tough and heavy halfway through the set. So you always want to start it with lighter weights and then progress it through the next sets as well. For this workout, I usually do 5 sets with 8 to 12 reps every set. The next workout is wide grip lat pull down. This is one of the best exercises to strengthen your back. This is also a compound exercise that can bolster your upper body strength and improve your posture at the same time. Also for this workout, try and aim at least 3 sets. If you can push harder, do 4 or 5 sets with 8 to 12 reps as well. Now grab a pair of dumbbells and bend forward at your hips until your torso is nearly parallel to the floor. Set your feet shoulder width apart. Let the dumbbells hang straight down from your shoulders, and then your palms should be facing each other with your arms slightly bent. Keep your back flat and your torso still, and then raise your arms straight out to your sides until they're in line with your body. I'm just being silly here, guys, while taking a quick break. Why not? The next one is pronated dumbbell bent over row, which is very similar to the first exercise in this video. The only difference is that I am using a dumbbell, and also pronated means you'll be using an overhand grip. Try and do this for 4 sets with 12 to 15 reps per set. Now let's move on to the seated row machine. 2 tips in here. Number 1 is to avoid rounding your back by keeping your back straight while performing the exercise. Engaging your core can actually help you do this. Number 2, avoid rounding your shoulders by rolling your shoulders back and down before you pull the cable back, and make sure that there is a space between your ears and your shoulders at the same time. Now we are down to the last workout, which is cable face pull. Try and do these for 4 sets with 12 to 15 reps per set. I would have to say that was a quick workout, but pretty intense at the same time. That's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to save it for your next workout session at the gym. Also, if you haven't, hit that like and subscribe button, please do. And if you want to see more of my videos and posts, any motivational posts to help survive the day, please follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you on my next video.